Через 5 секунд ти почнеш вивчати нові слова, а поки підпишись, постав лайк та напиши коментар.
Process.
Процес – обробляти.
It is a long process.
Railway.
Залізниця.
We live near the railway.
Total.
Загальний, повний.
The total cost is high.
Electricity.
Електрика.
The storm cut the electricity.
Drawer.
Шухляда.
The pen is in the drawer.
Lamp.
Лампа.
Turn on the lamp, please.
View.
Вид, погляд.
The view from the window is beautiful.
Tool.
Інструмент.
I need a tool to fix it.
Negative.
Негативний.
Do not be so negative.
Carpet.
Килим.
The dog is sleeping on the carpet.
Poem.
Вірш.
She wrote a beautiful poem.
Smoking.
Куріння.
Smoking is bad for your health.
Kill.
Вбивати.
Do not kill the spider.
Silent.
Тихий, мовчазний.
The room was completely silent.
Manage.
Керувати, справлятися.
I can manage it myself.
Each other.
Один одного.
They help each other.
Active.
Активний.
He is an active child.
Benefit.
Користь, вигода.
What is the benefit of this?
Greeting.
Вітання.
He gave me a warm greeting.
Along.
Уздовж.
We walked along the river.
Frightened.
Наляканий.
The cat was frightened by the dog.
Recording.
Запис.
Listen to this recording.
Scene.
Сцена, місце події.
It is my favorite scene in the movie.
Skin.
Шкіра.
Drink water for healthy skin.
Alive.
Живий, існуючий.
The plant is still alive.
Chance.
Шанс, можливість.
Give me one more chance.
Discuss.
Обговорювати.
We need to discuss this plan.
Nearly.
Майже.
It is nearly midnight.
Condition.
Стан, умова.
The car is in good condition.
Tasty.
Смачний.
The soup is very tasty.
Surprised.
Здивований.
I was surprised to see him.
Rent.
Орендувати, оренда.
We want to rent a flat.
Campus.
Кампус.
The students live on campus.
Lip.
Губа.
She bit her lip.
Recognize.
Впізнавати, визнавати.
I did not recognize you.
Repair.
Ремонтувати, ремонт.
Can you repair my phone?
Practice.
Практикувати.
You must practice every day.
Pack.
Пакувати, пачка.
I need to pack my bag.
Death.
Смерть.
The story ends with his death.
Power.
Сила, енергія.
Knowledge is power.
Discussion.
Обговорення.
We had a long discussion.
Manager.
Менеджер.
I want to speak to the manager.
Hang.
Висіти, вішати.
Hang your coat here.
According to.
Згідно з, відповідно до.
According to the weather, it will rain.
Purpose.
Мета, призначення.
What is the purpose of your visit?
Immediately.
Негайно.
Please come here immediately.
Correction.
Виправлення.
I made a small correction.
Actually.
Насправді, фактично.
Actually, I am busy today.
Packet.
Пакет, пачка.
He bought a packet of chips.
Mathematics.
Математика.
Mathematics is difficult for me.
Cell.
Клітина.
Every cell needs oxygen.
Bright.
Яскравий.
The sun is very bright today.
Gentleman.
Джентльмен.
He is a true gentleman.
Deliver.
Доставляти.
They will deliver the pizza soon.
Glove.
Рукавичка.
I lost my right glove.
Connect.
З'єднувати, пов'язувати.
Connect your phone to Wi-Fi.
Nail.
Ніготь, цвях.
I need a hammer and a nail.
Boil.
Кип'ятити, варити.
Boil the water for tea.
Ship.
Корабель.
The ship sails tomorrow.
engine,
Двигун.
The car engine stopped.
advertising,
Рекламування, реклама.
They spend money on advertising.
label,
Етикетка, позначати.
Read the label carefully.
religious,
Релігійний.
It is a religious holiday.
score,
Рахунок, набирати бали.
What is the final score?
costume,
Костюм.
She wore a pirate costume.
nowhere,
Ніде.
I have nowhere to go.
alone,
Сам, наодинці.
He lives alone.
payment,
Платіж.
Thank you for your payment.
Spicy.
Гострий.
I like spicy food.
topic,
Тема.
This is an interesting topic.